Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stephanie with the Y. Don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the perfect skin prep for your makeup. Because honestly, I've been hearing that y'all been looking a little flaky, a little cakey, and we're just not going to let you go down like that. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. For the first step, you need to cleanse your face. You just need a clean canvas. Okay, so makeup is art at the end of the day. So in order to have the best results, the best art you can ever have in your life, you need to have a clean base. Okay. Also, there are many reasons why you need to prep your skin, but my top 3 will be that 1, my makeup will look better, 2, the longevity throughout the day, and 3, my favorite, it helps prevent the flaky, crusty, and the creasing. Another FYI to keep in mind is to make sure that your products are tailored to your skin needs. So this is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. It is a gel cleanser for all skin types. My man uses it, he has oily skin, and I'm more combo but more on the dry side. It says it has hyaluronic acid, but I don't really get that part. I'm a little confusion. So I do like it overall because it does clean and it works for the both of us ultimately. Also, quick reminder to exfoliate all that dead skin cells off of your face. I just didn't show it because I did it last night. So remember how I said the cleanser is good, but it's just super drying for me personally. So I did go in with one of my favorite products, which is the Fresh Antioxidant Face Mist. When I tell you this stuff is so good, not enough people talk about it. Don't understand why, but that's okay. Y'all won't sell it out. It's basically multivitamin for your face and also creates that nice dewy makeup base. Next up, we are going to tone our face with the cutest mini you've ever seen in your entire life. It is the Glow Recipe Toner, and I am still new to this specific toner, but I can say I'm obsessed with the packaging and the smell, of course. I do think it pairs better with their other products to give that hydrating feel, because just by itself, I don't really get that, but I'm still only like 2-3 weeks in. Next up, we have the Dewdrops by Also Glow Recipe, and as I said earlier, I love using their products hand in hand, especially with this one because it helps with that glow. This one, as you can tell, also is a bit thicker than the last product, and that's something you want to remember if you don't know the order you should be doing your skincare in. So you'll always want to start with your lightest, then work up to the thick serums / moisturizers. The next step I'm going to take is use my eye cream. This is by In Beauty Project. This is a firming eye cream with vitamin C and peptides. For me, eye cream will be very, very vital in my makeup base because I tend to get the most wrinkles in my smile lines and under eye. So hydrating that area will prevent all of that from happening. Also, I'm not sure if it's translating as well as it does in person, but it does have a yellow tint. But I actually do prefer that because in my head it's like a slight color corrector, so it almost instantly changes the appearance of my bags. So please don't skip this step if you want to prevent your makeup from creasing. And for our final step in our skincare prep for our makeup look, we have a Fenty Skin product, which is a moisturizer with SPF 30 in it. One of my favorite products because 1, SPF, we all need it. There's no debate about that. And 2, it's a 2-in-1. So especially for the days, or I should say my mornings, where I'm just trying to go, this is it. And as you can see, it just locks in that moisture and I still look amazing. No explanation really needed, just some lip balm. This actually has been my favorite recently until I lost it. So yeah. And that is how you prep your skin for makeup application. Remember, we are artists. You need a perfectly primed canvas in order to create the best results and also longevity. So if you like what you see or you want to see how I do my makeup looks, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.